Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are well. We're discussing circles and here I am with a few questions on circles just to make sure everything is clear. I'm going to start from the end of this worksheet and I expect you to attempt the questions that are not done in today's class on your own. Question number 28 says in the diagram P, Q, R, S and T lie on a circle. So you can see this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S and this is T and they lie on a circle. Q to T. So Q to T is the diameter of the circle and you can see it's passing through center O. ठीक है, तो अगर Q to T diameter है तो O to T is going to be your radius, right? And O to Q is also going to be your radius. So let's just mark the radii quickly. So I'm going to mark them with red. This is the radius and this is the radius and they are equal. X is the point of intersection of PS and QT. अब intersection कह रहे हैं, इसका मतलब हम ये assume नहीं कर सकते कि X to Q and X to T is the same. PXT is 125, they've given it in the diagram, and PSQ is 35. Complete the following statement with a geometrical reason. PTQ is 35 degrees. Now PTQ क्या है? PTQ ये है. Now it's 35 degrees because can you see that they're angles in the same segment and they're starting from the same chord. So PQ से start हो रहे हैं. ये PTQ और PSQ. Okay? So they're angles in the same segment. Hence they are equal. So same segment angles. Now can you see कि सेम सेगमेंट एंगल्स में हमारा जो सबसे बड़ा हिंट होता है कि P और Q सेंटर में सिर्फ जो अल्फ़ाबेट है वो फ़र्क है. This implies that they are starting from the same chord. Now you want to find PQT. PQT is this angle over here. Now can you see that we've already found PST, which is 35. So if I highlight this triangle, which is PTQ, this is starting from the diameter. So यहाँ पर जो हमारी chord है वो diameter है and angles from the diameter are always equal to 90 degrees. And now this is a triangle where this is 90 degrees, this is 35. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 180 minus 90 plus 35 because angles in a triangle equal to 180. So what I basically did is 90 plus 35 plus PQT is 180. From here, this is going to be 180 minus 90 minus 35 is equals to PQT. 90 plus 35 is 125 and यहाँ से PQT आपके पास आ जाएगा 55 degrees. So the answer is 55. The next part you have to find SPQ. SPQ is this angle over here. Okay, and I've just cleared the figure out with the angles that I know. So we found PQT, which is 55. हमें PTQ भी पता है 35 है because there's the same angles. Because they're angles in the same segment. And now we want to find SPQ. So we want to find this angle over here. Think about it. ये कैसे होगा? Okay, I hope you've thought really well about it. If you still don't have an idea, can you see that this is a straight line? And angles on a straight line always equal to 180. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 180 minus 125, which is again 55. तो ये 55 हो जाएगा. और यहाँ से 55 plus 55 is going to be 110 and x is going to be 180 minus 110 which is equal to 70 degrees. So the answer is 70. Why 180 minus 110? क्योंकि हमारे पास ये एक triangle बन रहा है and angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. I hope this is clear. Moving on, SRQ. अब SRQ is this angle over here. हमने P find कर लिया है which is 70 degrees and can you see that PSRQ is a cyclic quadrilateral and angles in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. So this is going to be 180 minus 70, which is going to be 110. So the answer is 110. I hope this is clear. Let's move on. Question number 21 says, in the diagram A, B, C, D and E lie on the circle center O. BOE is a straight line. इसका मतलब क्या है कि BOE आपका diameter हो जाएगा and DAB is 34. They've given it to you. Now the first thing is you want to find X. अब X के लिए let's see what we can do. We know that DAB is 34. X क्या है? X is the angle at the center. And can you see that अगर मैं एक chord बनाती हूँ DB से, तो can you see that DAB is the angle at the circumference? हमने क्या कहा था? हमने कहा था कि जिस भी एंगल का फर्स्ट लेटर और लास्ट लेटर सेम होगा वो एंगल सेम कॉर्ड से निकल रहे होंगे. सो कैन यू सी एक्स जो है वो है एंगल DOB, ओके, एंड DAB they have given to you which is 34 degrees. Can you see both start and end with D and B? That means they are angles from the same chord DB. ये आपकी chord DB है और देखना आपने ये है कि सेम सेगमेंट में है या सेंटर या सेगमेंट या सेंटर या सर्कमफ्रेंस वाला रूल अप्लाई करता है. सो कैन यू सी दैट angle X is forming at the center from the same chord and angle A is forming at the circumference of the same chord. So angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So X is going to be 34 into 2, which is 68. Moving on, you want to find Y. अब Y के लिए I'm just going to remove whatever I drew ताकि मेरे लिए clear हो जाए ज़रा. ये मेरे पास आ गया 68. अब Y के लिए can you see that this over here CDBA is a cyclic quadrilateral? ठीक है, and opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. 34 और y opposite हैं, so that means 34 plus y equals to 180. So y would equal to 180 minus 34. यहाँ से y आपके पास आ जाएगा 146. I hope this is clear. Then you want to find Z. Now for Z, can you see that again, if I take the chord DB, X is the angle at the center, which is DOB, and DEB is Z. So it's the angle at the circumference. So DEB is also going to be 34 degrees. I hope this is clear. Moving on, you want to find T. अब T के लिए let me just clear everything out again. T के लिए can you see that BOE is the diameter? ठीक है, और ये जो BAE है ये एंगल निकल रहा है डायमीटर से. So this is going to be 90. So T is going to be 90 minus 34, which is equal to 56 degrees. I hope this is clear. Let's move on. In the diagram, the point A, B, C, D and E lie on the center O, on the circle with center O. AD is a diameter, ठीक है. DAC उन्होंने दिया हुआ है और AC दिया हुआ है, which is 70. First, you want to find CDA. CDA is this angle over here. This is what you want to find. And for this angle, can you see कि ये जो ACD है ये डायमीटर से निकल रहा है, तो ये पूरा 90 हो जाएगा. एंड कैन यू सी कि ये फिर ट्राइंगल बन रहा है, तो ये हो जाएगा 90 प्लस 33 प्लस CDA will equal to 180. So CDA would equal to 180 minus 123, which is equal to 57. So CDA आपके पास हो जाएगा 57 degrees. DEC हमारे पास कौन सा एंगल है? Let me just mark this. This is 57. DEC is this angle over here. How are we going to find DEC? Let's think about it. अब can you see कि ये CD से निकल रहा है इस कॉर्ड से, ठीक है, और ये वाला एंगल भी इसी कॉर्ड से निकल रहा है और सेम सेगमेंट पे बन रहा है. सो एंगल्स इन द सेम सेगमेंट फ्रॉम द सेम कॉर्ड आर इक्वल. सो DEC is going to equal to 33 degrees. DEC will equal to DAC. Can you see first or last letter same hai? So 33 degrees. You want to find ABC now. ABC is this angle over here. Again, it's a cyclic quadrilateral that is forming. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. So CDA हमने find किया हुआ है, which is 57. So this is 57 degrees. So it's going to be 180 minus 57 degrees, which is going to be 123. I hope this is clear. Now you want to find the reflex EOA. For those of you who don't know what reflex is basically an angle that is greater than 180 and it's less than 360. So 180 और 360 के दरमियान आता है. तो reflex EOA ये एंगल होगा. अब ये एंगल जब आपने फाइंड करना है उसके लिए लेट्स से हम AOE फाइंड कर लें. अगर ये वाला एंगल तो हम 360 से माइनस करेंगे तो हमारे पास रिफ्लेक्स आ जाएगा. अब EOA दिस ओवर हियर इज ट्वाइस द एंगल एट द सर्कमफ्रेंस, सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी 140 एंड ये हो जाएगा 360 माइनस 140 विच इज गोइंग टू इक्वल टू 220 degrees. I hope this is clear. Let's try one last question and then I will ask you to attempt the questions on your own. This question looks interesting. So let's try question number 25. Up 25 में it says in the diagram two circles intersect at P and Q. So can you see कि ये इनके points of intersection है. The line AB is a tangent to the circle at A and B. AD and BC are the diameters. B to D intersects the larger circle at R. So B to D intersects the larger circle at R over here. DBC is 40. You want to find CPR first. So CPR is this angle over here. वो हम किस तरह find करेंगे? Can you see कि अगर मैं C to R वाली chord लूँ तो CBR and CPR are angles in the same segment. So CPR is also going to be 40. CQR is this angle over here. Now can you see that CQR and B is a cyclic quadrilateral and opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. तो ये हो जाएगा 140 degrees. You want to find ABD. ABD is this angle over here. Now A to B is a tangent to the circle and ये जो है रेडियस है. रेडियस और टेंजेंट के दरमियान 90 डिग्रीज होता है जिसमें से 40 हमें मार्क किया हुआ है. तो 90 माइनस 40 इज़ 50. सो DBA और ABD is going to be 90 minus 40 which is 50 degrees. Then you want to find ADB. ADB is this angle over here. अब ये हमें पता है 50 है. Again this is again radius to tangent तो ये 90 हो जाएगा. And then can you see that this forms a triangle. So this is going to be 90 plus 50 which is going to be 140 and ADB is going to be 40 degrees. I hope this is clear. Try the next questions on your own and if you have any confusions just let me know. This is it for today.